Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into the topic of crypto wallets. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies, you might be wondering what a wallet is and why it's important. Before I start, I want to clarify that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Simply put, a crypto wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It's similar to a physical wallet that you use to store cash and credit cards. There are different types of crypto wallets available, and we're going to discuss them in more detail. First, let's talk about software wallets. These are digital wallets that can be accessed via software, such as a desktop or mobile application. Some examples of software wallets are Exodus, MyEtherWallet, and Atomic Wallet. Software wallets are free and easy to use, but they are only as secure as the device they are installed on. It's important to ensure that your device is protected with strong passwords and antivirus software. Next, let's talk about hardware wallets. These are physical devices that look like USB drives and are specifically designed to store cryptocurrencies securely. Examples of hardware wallets are Trezor, Ledger Nano S, and KeepKey. Hardware wallets are more secure than software wallets because they are not connected to the internet, making it harder for hackers to access your funds. However, hardware wallets can be expensive, and you need to keep them safe and secure. Finally, let's talk about paper wallets. These are physical pieces of paper that contain your private keys and public addresses. They are one of the most secure ways to store cryptocurrencies because they are not connected to the internet. However, paper wallets can be easily lost or damaged, and they are not very convenient to use. So, which type of wallet should you choose? It really depends on your needs and preferences. If you're planning to store large amounts of cryptocurrencies, a hardware wallet is your best bet. If you're looking for convenience and ease of use, a software wallet might be the right choice for you. And if you're looking for the highest level of security, a paper wallet might be worth considering. In conclusion, choosing the right crypto wallet is an important decision. You should take the time to research the different options and choose the one that meets your needs and preferences. Remember, the security of your cryptocurrencies is in your hands, so make sure you take the necessary steps to keep them safe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.